Hi, in modern JavaScript and ECMAScript 6, if you want to copy an object without mutating it, in other words, making a new copy of the object without changing the original object, the best way is to use the rest and spread operator together. For example, if we have an object like this, and we want to make a copy of it, and we want to leave certain properties out of it. Let's say we don't want address in the new object. We can do it like this. So this is a spread operator, and this is a rest operator. So we're using rest and spread operator together to make a new copy of the object and leaving just the address field. If we console log the first object, you would see it has address in it, but the second object object doesn't have the address in it.